Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Warp 2.0. In order to do so, here we are at warp.dev. And what is Warp all about? Well, it's the agentic development environment. Warp is the fastest way to build with multiple AI agents from writing code to shipping it, the best overall coding and terminal agent, according to their website. And you can download that here for Windows. So if you are interested in trying it out, then you can come here, you can download that for Windows. You can also see that we can contact sales. Let's go ahead and click on that. You can see here that you can request a demo for your team at work. So you can enter in that information there and submit that in order to get a demo of Warp. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So you could see here, free for developers getting started with AI powered workflows. Free, download now, up to 150 AI requests a month. Choice of the best models: Claude, OpenAI, Gemini, 3 index code bases up to 5,000 files, unlimited next command suggestions, full modern terminal functionality, modern code editor, personal and shared warp drive, 5 real-time shared sessions, support through public forums. If you want the Pro, you're looking at $15 a month. The Turbo is $40 a month, and the Enterprise is custom depending on what your needs are. But you can, with the Pro, get up to 2,500 AI requests per month, 40 index code bases up to 10,000 files, pay-as-you-go AI coverages, unlimited shared notebooks and workflows in Warp Drive, unlimited real-time session sharing, private email support. With the Turbo, you're looking at up to 10,000 credits, AI requests per month. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect. Really quite reasonable compared to some of the platforms that are out there. Let's just go ahead and continue taking a look at the homepage here. You can watch a video here to get an idea more about what Warp is all about. Tell your computer what to do. Use plain English or shell commands to describe what you want. Warp can write code, debug, create PRs, and more. So that's really quite interesting. Agents write code tailored to your context. Warp is built for professional development. Agents work across multi-repo code bases, have access to MCP servers, warp drive, and rules so that they can have the context they need. Run multiple agents in parallel, build a feature, debug a sentry error, and deploy all at once. Warps help you manage multiple agents centrally and step in when you need your help. So head over to warp.dev if you're interested in getting started with Warp. You can contact sales to book a demo, but if you want to use the free version, you can. Just head over to warp.dev and you can download that Windows and start testing it out for yourself. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.